With the View Options toolbox, you can customize the price list editor view or any other view of the editor. Before making any changes, you can define the behavior of the toolbox. Here, in fact, you can choose to apply changes automatically. You can choose to apply changes to all active views, and both of these options are active by default. You can also select a different ordering, view and calculate totals based on one of the 5 preset prices, remove or insert columns. In this case, you can have chosen to display the columns which are labour and health and safety incidents. Choose the type of font and size, display the list of fonts but only change the size, and then restore the default. Regarding the descriptions of items, you can also display any combination of short, additional or extended descriptions. For each item, you can also select italic or bold text styles. To view the extended description, simply select the option All. When activating the option Sub-item headings and extended descriptions, the editor displays subheadings, and for the parent item you find the entire extended description, while for sub-items you see only the part of the description different from that of the main item. You can also display the super chapters, so this customized view will stay active. You can make any changes or insert new items in your document. Views can also be printed by selecting the Print button in the program toolbar. So everything you see on screen in the price list editor is exactly what you will be printing on paper.